Hello and very welcome to a new video. Today is a big day, at least for me, because I just finalized my first VST3 plugin. It's a distortion plugin designed specifically for distorting acid bass lines and with a really nice animation, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Let me quickly show you some specs before. So the plugin contains asymmetric tube distortion, a dynamic mid-boosting EQ, which is controlled by an envelope follower, and 2x oversampling. Here's some more like specific where and how it works. So it's a multi-stage distortion with 3 stages and some harmonic enhancement, which is typically in those frequency for the acid bass lines. So that's the manual. You can download it alongside the plugin as always from my Patreon page. But let's stop talking and let's have a listen how it sounds. So as it is VST, you can just plug it in here and you see you have this nice little animation which basically the smiley represents the dry wet, as you can see here. And let's have a listen to. So I'm using the ABL2 bassline, which I still like very much. It's one of the best recreations of a TB-303 in my opinion. It sounds awesome. So let's hit some keys and play with the sound. So this is basically a clean signal from the ABL running through now my distortion plugin, which is activated, and I'm going to drive it. And as you can see, I zeroed the drive and the distortion from the plugin, so it's fully my distortion plugin, which is now going to affect the sound. For the fun, let's add a delay to make it even more full sounding. Let's go this. You probably don't have to go like to the fullest to get this typical sound. Let's just stick with this. Doesn't matter, it's about the sound of the distortion. Let's go full. Even with the fully wet signal mixed in, it sounds really like pleasant, so to say, in all frequencies. That's because of the envelope followers and how the distortion is implemented. I really like the sound. Yes, and I also like the the animation. So you can get this for free download on my Patreon page. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.